Hello students, in previous video we have seen practice set 1 of chapter geometrical constructions. Now we will see practice set 2. Question number 1. Draw triangle with the measures given below. First, in triangle ABC, length of AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Length of BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Length of AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now I will show you rough diagram of triangle ABC. Now length of AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Length of BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Length of AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now with the help of ruler I will draw BC 4.2 centimeters from 0 to 4.2 centimeters. Accurate. BC 4.2 centimeters. Now with the help of rounder and ruler I will take 5.5 centimeters. I will keep my rounder point on B and I will make a arc. Draw a arc and same thing I will do with AC is 3.5 centimeters. Again I will keep my rounder point on C and I am making a second arc. Now A point we get. Now we will join AC. That means AC is 3.5 centimeters and AB we will join, that is 5.5 centimeters. This how our triangle look. Second, in triangle STU, length of ST equal to 7 centimeters, length of TU equal to 4 centimeters, length of SU equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have drawn this triangle STU. TU is 4 centimeter, our base of triangle, and TS is 7 centimeter and SU is 5 centimeter. Now I will draw base of 4 centimeter with the help of ruler. Accurate measurement I will take. TU 4 centimeters. Now with the help of rounder and ruler I will take measurement of 7 centimeters. Now I will put my rounder point on T and make a arc. Same thing I will do with US, that is 5 centimeters. Accurate 5 centimeter I have taken. Now I will keep my rounder point on U and I will make another arc. Now we got point S. Now I will join S and U, that is 5 centimeters. S and T, that is 7 centimeters. So this is our triangle STU. Now same thing I will do with third. In triangle PQR, length of PQ is 6 centimeter, length of QR is equal to 3.8 centimeters and length of PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Again I will draw rough diagram. PQR, PQ is 6 centimeters, QR is 3.8 centimeters, PR is 4.5 centimeter. Now with the help of ruler, I will take accurate measurement of 3.8 centimeter of my base of my triangle. 3.8. See, accurate 3.8 centimeter. QR. Now with the help of rounder, same thing I will do. I will take measurement 6 centimeters. I will keep my rounder point on Q and I will make a arc. Same thing with PR is 4.5 centimeters. So 4.5 centimeter I will take, accurate 4.5 centimeter. Now I am keeping my rounder point on R and making another arc. Now I will join this point P with PQ, that is 6 centimeters, PR, that is 4.5 centimeter. So this how your construction of triangle look. Thank you student. In the next video I will show you question number 2. Hello students, in the previous video we have seen practice set 2 question number 1. Now we will see question number 2 of practice set 2. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeters and the other sides 3.5 centimeters each. That means you have to draw isosceles triangle. Now isosceles triangle means two sides equal, that is isosceles triangle. Now in the rough diagram I am drawing a rough figure of isosceles triangle. Imaginary name I am giving X, Y, Z. That base is 5 centimeter and their other sides is 3.5 centimeter. That means this is 3.5 centimeter and this is 3.5 centimeter. Now I will draw base with the help of ruler 5 centimeter. Y, Z, and with the help of rounder I will take 3.5 centimeter from my scale and I will keep my rounder point on Y and I will make a arc. Same distance 3.5 centimeter. Again I will keep my rounder point on Z and I will make another arc. Then we get point X. Now I will join XY, that is 3.5 centimeters, XZ, that is 3.5 centimeters. So this is our this is our isosceles triangle. Now same thing in question number 3. Draw an equilateral triangle with side 6.5 centimeters. Now equilateral triangle means all sides equal, that is equilateral triangle. Now see, in rough figure I have drawn PQR, a triangle which having all three sides are equal, that is 6.5 centimeter. Now with the help of ruler I will draw the base of triangle PQR, that is 6.5 centimeter. I will write here QR is 6.5 centimeter. Now with the help of scale I will take 6.5 centimeter exact and I will keep my rounder point on Q and make a arc. Same thing I will do in R, the another arc. Now we get the point P. Now I will join PQ, that is 6.5 centimeters, PR, that is 6.5 centimeters. So all three sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. So PQR is a equilateral triangle which we have drawn. Now question number 4. Choose the lengths of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral, one isosceles and one scalene triangle. That means you have to draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle and one scalene triangle. Now see, you know what is equilateral triangle, that is all three sides are equal. Now you have to put imaginary numbers. Any number you can say. Like suppose I have taken 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So this is equilateral triangle. Again I will put a imaginary alphabet to it, like L, M, N. Okay, now same thing I will draw over here with the help of geometrical instrument. So I will take 5 centimeter my base of equilateral triangle M, N. Now with the help of rounder I will take 5 centimeter. Now I will keep my rounder point on M and I will make a arc. Same thing I will do with N. I will keep my rounder point here and make another arc. So we got point L. Now I will join LM, that is 5 centimeters, LN, that is also 5 centimeter. So this look a equilateral triangle. Now same thing I will do with isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. That means again you have to write your imaginary numbers. Like first I will write the triangle name A, B, C. Isosceles means two sides are different. Two sides are equal. That I put here 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Here I am taking 4.5 centimeters. Okay, so this is different. Only two sides are equal. Now with the help of scale, I will draw 4.5 centimeters. This is base. The base is different of isosceles triangle and two sides are equal. Now with the help of rounder, I will take 4 centimeter. I am keeping my rounder point on B and making a arc. Same distance 4 centimeter on C I will keep and make a arc. Now we got a point A. Now I will join AB, that is 4 centimeter, AC 4 centimeter. So two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle and base is different. Now same thing in third, scalene triangle. Now see, scalene triangle means all three sides are different. Now you have to take all three sides are different. First I will give the name of this triangle like PQR. Different, you can put 6 centimeters or you can take here 5.5 centimeters. Here you can take 4.5 centimeters. Now with the help of ruler I will draw the base different. So with the help of ruler I will draw 6 centimeter base. So see, this base is different and this 5.5, I will take 5.5 from my ruler. I am keeping my rounder point on Q and making a arc. Now distance is not same, so I will take with the help of ruler 4.5 centimeters. I am keeping my rounder point on R, I am joining the arc. So we got a point P. Now I will join PQ, that is 5.5 centimeters, PR, that is 4.5 centimeter. So see students, in scalene triangle all three sides are different. Okay, that is scalene triangle. Thank you student. In the next video I will teach you next problem set.